Welcome! This is a step-by-step instructional video to help you list items in a store at localyokelauctions.com. First step, log into your local Yokel Auctions account. Before doing your first listing, there is a pre-filled section that you can fill in listing information. This will be entered in every listing you do. By selecting this option, it will speed your listing process. In the pre-filled section, you can preset duration of listings, shipping conditions, postage and handling, shipping and payment details, shipping method, and more. Select Sell tab to start listing. On the first setup page, you have three options to choose from to list in your store and on the site. List your items in your store, no listing fees. List your item on the main site, normal listing fees will apply. List your item on both the main site and in your store, listing fees will apply for listing on the site. Listing your item in both your store and on the site will give your item more visibility throughout local Yokel auctions. After you have selected the area you would like your item listed in, select Next Page. By selecting to list in your store only or to list your item in both areas, you will be directed to select your store category first. Select your category and select Next Step. If you have selected to list in your store only, you will be directed to the item's detail page. If you have selected to list in both areas, you will be directed to the main site category page. You are now on the main site category page. Choose your category and select Next Step. You are now on the additional category page. You may select Skip this step or select an additional category. Listing fees will apply. Anytime throughout your listing process, you may select Previous Step. By selecting this button, you can go back to the very first page of the listing process. All information entered will be saved. You are now on your item's detail page. Choose your listing type. Full listing, all listing options are shown. Quick listing, only basic listing options are shown. Enter your title of your item. The title is what search engines will use to direct buyers to your listing. Enter your description without HTML codes. You may view local Yokel Help Files topic, Item Listing Template Editor Tools for more directions on how to enter descriptions. To add background color, enter your description left justified only. Do not add spaces between lines. After you have entered your description, highlight the entire section. After you've highlighted the entire section, select the center justified icon. While your description is still highlighted, select your background color icon. Your item description will now have a solid background color. You may now put in your desired HTML, add spaces, change font size, font type, etc. View local Yokel Help File topic, Item Listing Template Editor Tools for complete directions on how to use each editor tool. Below the description, you will see a reminder of categories you have chosen and the option to select Next Page or Previous Page. You are now on the Settings page. Select your auction type. Standard, selling only one item. Dutch, selling several items that are the same. Select your currency. Enter quantity for sale for Dutch auctions. Enter the amount your auction starts at. To add reserve price, check Enable Reserve. Fees will apply. To allow instant purchases of item, check Buy It. To make this item a buy it only, enter auction start price and buy it price the same amount. Bid increment. Use the built-in table or enter your custom increment. Item featuring. Options to promote your listings. Additional fees may apply. Choose to have your auction start now or at a later date, up to 7 days. Customize your end time by choosing duration or custom end time, up to 32 days. Your auction can be set as private. Only you can see the username of bidders. Uploading images of your item must be 200 kilobytes or less. If your image is too large, open and save your image in Paint. This might lower the kilobytes enough to allow you to upload your image. Browse your computer for your image or enter the URL. After selecting Upload File, you will find a message at the top of the page informing you of a successful upload or if there was an error. If successful, you will find a thumbnail picture of your image. First 3 images are free. You can upload one video into your listing. Uploading media files of your item must be 2048 kilobytes or less. You can upload from your computer or from your video's URL. Enable Auto Relist will allow your listing to automatically relist if the listing does not end with a sale. Auto Relist if sold can be used if you have several like items and did not use Dutch auction format. Number of Auto Relist, select how many times you would like your listing to relist. Now enter the location of your item, then select Next Step or Previous Step. You are now on the Shipping and Payment page. Select the shipping conditions for your item. Enter your shipping weight in U.S. pounds. The shipping weight field accepts weight in a decimal system. Example, your item weighs 1.5 pounds. 5 ounces divided by 16 equals 0.3125. Only the 3 is carried. This is now approximately 1 pound 3 ounces. You will enter 1.3 into the shipping weight field. Enter the top postage amount for this item. You can leave this field blank if the postage is free or will be determined when completing transaction with the buyer. You have the option to enter in a handling fee and insurance amount for this item. In your shipping and payment details, you can enter additional shipping information that applies to this item. Next, choose your preferred shipping method. This is the final step in the listing process. You have several options to select for your offline payment method. Direct payment methods can be set up from the account management page if available. Select Next Step or Previous Step. You are now on the preview page. This page shows you exactly what your listing will look like. Please review your listing and fees carefully. Description and images cannot be changed or added after clicking List Now. As a reminder, selecting Previous Step button continuously, you can go back to the very beginning of the listing template. By selecting List Now or Save as Draft, you confirm that you agree to our terms and conditions. You have now completed listing your items on the local Yokel auction site. The following is an overview on how to find your listings in your selling section. All your listings that are waiting for their start time will be found in the scheduled auctions. While the listing is in this section, it can be edited or deleted. Your listings that are live will be found in the live auctions. While the listing is in this section, you can use the listing to sell similar items or add an append to the listing description. Your listings that have a bid will be found in the engaged auctions. While the listing is in this section, you can only view the number of bids and the max bid amount on your listing. Your listings that have sold will be found in the sold items. While the listing is in this section, you will have the options to communicate with your buyer and complete the transaction. Your listings that have sold and have been marked paid and sent will be found in the fulfilled items. In this section, you will have options to communicate with your buyer and view product invoice. Your listings that have ended without a sale will be found in the fizzled auctions. In this section, you can view the number of auto relists left, and you will have the option to relist by selecting Sell Similar. The delete option will become available to remove the listing totally from your account. Your listings that have been canceled will be found in the canceled auctions. These are listings that local Yokel Auctions has canceled due to violation of the terms and conditions. Your listings that you have saved as draft will be found in drafts. In this section, you will find your saved listing to finish, edit, or even delete. For more information on listing process, look in the local Yokel Help Files topic, the listing process. You will find many other helpful topics to choose from. Welcome to Local Yokel Auctions.